Welcome to this mock and real U.S. citizenship interview simulation for 2025. If you're preparing for your N-400 naturalization interview with USCIS, this video will guide you step by step through the entire interview process, including the speaking test, reading and writing test, civics test, Part 9 vocabulary questions, personal background questions, and the oath ceremony. In this video, you'll experience a realistic interview with answers, so you'll know exactly what to expect on the day of your test. Whether you're worried about the 100 civics questions, the English test, or just want to practice how to respond confidently to an immigration officer, this full simulation will help you prepare and succeed. Stay tuned, practice along, and by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident about passing your U.S. citizenship interview in 2025. Let's get started.
Sophia Nguyen?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, I'm Officer Clark, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's a pleasure to meet you. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. Please follow me. Place your belongings on the table and remain standing. I'll need you to swear before we begin the interview. Can you raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer, I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what taking an oath means?
Yes, I know. It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
Did you face any problem to find our location?
No, it was quite easy.
Do you know why you are here today?
Yes, I know. I am here for my citizenship interview today.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
How long were you waiting for me?
Not so long. It's about 40 minutes.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, officer, I am ready.
Do you need to use the restroom before we start?
No, I am fine, thank you for asking.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, thank you.
Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay?
Okay.
How is the weather today?
Oh, that's great. It's a shiny weather today.
How did you get here today?
I took the subway.
If you do not understand any question, feel free to ask me to repeat it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go over your application. What's your full legal name?
Sophia Nguyen.
What's your last name?
Nguyen.
And your given name?
Sophia.
Could you spell your first name?
Sophia.
Is that the name on your green card as well?
Yes.
Do you have any other names or nicknames?
No.
Do you want to change your name?
No, I want to keep my current name.
Okay. Are you of Hispanic or Latino descent?
No, I am not.
What is your race?
I am Asian.
What's your eligibility for U.S. citizenship?
I'm married to a U.S. citizen, and I've been a lawful permanent resident for more than 3 years.
Did you receive your green card through your marriage?
Yes, officer.
When did you get your permanent residency?
I got my permanent residency on July 2nd, 2021.
What is your social security number?
946 89 9849.
What is your country of citizenship?
Vietnam.
What's your date of birth?
August 19th, 1985. I think there's an error on my application. It shows August 20th. Can we fix that, please?
Sure. I'll take care of that. Please wait a moment.
Thank you, officer.
Was either of your parents a U.S. citizen before you turned 18?
No.
Where were you born?
Vietnam.
What is your current marital status?
I'm married.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
When did your spouse become a U.S. citizen?
He was born in the United States.
Did you bring any documents to prove the legitimacy of your marriage?
Yes, I brought our tax returns for the last 3 years, joint bank statements, mortgage papers with both our names, and some wedding photos.
Great. What is your spouse's occupation?
He works as an engineer.
Where does your spouse work?
He works at TechCorp Solutions.
How long has he been employed there?
About 4 years.
Is his birth date November 12, 1985?
Yes, that's correct.
Can you provide your marriage certificate?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. What is your spouse's name?
James Harris.
How many times have you been married?
Just once.
How long have you been married?
6 years.
Do you have children?
Yes, we have one son.
What's his name?
His name is Ethan Harris.
Is he your biological child?
Yes.
Could you show me his birth certificate, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Where was he born?
He was born in the U.S.
Do you have any stepchildren or adopted children?
No, officer.
Have you ever received a traffic ticket?
Yes, officer.
What was it for?
It was for parking in a restricted area.
Did you pay the fine?
Yes, I paid it.
Did you need to appear in court?
No, I didn't.
Is there any ongoing issue related to this ticket?
No, everything is resolved.
How many times have you traveled outside the U.S. in the past 3 years?
I've traveled twice.
Where did you go?
I went to Brazil for vacation and then visited family in Vietnam.
How long did you stay on those trips?
A week in Brazil and 10 days in Vietnam.
Did you travel with anyone on your last trip?
Yes, I went with my husband and son.
When was your most recent trip?
December 10th, 2024.
When did you return to the U.S.?
I returned on December 21st, 2024.
Okay. Let's review some biographical info. What color are your eyes?
Brown.
How about your hair color?
Black.
What's your height?
5 feet and 5 inch.
Are you employed?
Yes, I am currently doing a job.
Where do you work?
I work at Target in Rivertown.
What's your role?
I'm a cashier.
How long have you worked there?
2.5 years.
Do you plan to change jobs soon?
Not now, but I'm considering going back to school to pursue a degree in business.
That sounds great. What's your current address?
789 Oak Drive, Rivertown, Oregon 97501.
Have you lived anywhere else?
No, this is my only address.
How long have you lived at this address?
We've been here about 4 years.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, never.
Do you owe any debts to the government, like student loans or federal fines?
No.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No, never.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No, never.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No, never.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, officer.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No, officer.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, never.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, co-workers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No.
Now I'll carefully review your N-400 application to ensure all information is accurate. And you've also filled it out thoroughly, understanding all the requirements and instructions. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No. I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
What is convicted?
Found guilty in court.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
What is genocide?
Killing a whole race.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, officer.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No. I have never been arrested.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government, in anywhere in the world, by force or violence?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever killed, or tried to kill anyone?
No.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No. Never.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law, but not been arrested?
No, officer.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, I haven't.
What is illegal gambling?
Betting, not allowed by law.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, I haven't.
What is weapons training?
Learning to use weapons.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No, I haven't.
What is national origin?
Country where a person is from.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
Absolutely not.
What is procure?
To encourage someone.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
What is rescission?
Canceling legal status.
What are deportation proceedings?
Court process to remove someone.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No. I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, officer.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever done sabotage?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No. I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No. Never.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I am willing to.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What is the capital of the United States?
Excellent. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
Not yet.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, I have. I sometimes send money to help support my parents and other family members abroad for their living expenses. It's only for family support, not for any business or organization. I believe it's my responsibility to help them when they need it.
That sounds great. Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, officer.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me, and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen?
Obey the laws of the United States.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Speech.
Name one right only for United States citizens.
Vote in a federal election.
What is an amendment?
A change to the Constitution.
What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
Vote. Join a political party.
Who is the father of our country?
George Washington.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
All people of the state.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
The Louisiana Territory.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
What major event happened on September 11, 2001, in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Excellent. You have passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Let's go over a few more questions to know about your moral character. Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. I always provide support.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, I've always been truthful.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No, officer.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local health fairs and participate in neighborhood cleanup events.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No, never.
Are you aware of your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, including paying taxes, obeying laws, serving on a jury when summoned, and providing support for your family?
Yes, officer.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
Not yet.
All right. I'll quickly check your background and make copies of your documents. I'll be right back. Please wait a while. Okay. Here are your documents, and I've made copies of everything. Congratulations! You have completed your citizenship interview.
Thank you.
Here's a copy of your test results. I will submit your application for approval after proper verification. And we'll email you with details regarding your naturalization ceremony. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.